Hello everybody, today we have a 2004 Bluebird Wanderlodge M380. It's powered by a 400 Cummins diesel engine with only 19,000 miles. It's got 900 hours on the generator. It has 2 slide outs. It has a very long power awning for the patio. As you can see, we have slide out awnings and window awning combinations, and then a window awning there painted to match roof ACs up top. The satellite dome is painted to match. We have a power 50 amp cord reel side radiator. We have an aqua hot system, Oasis Hurricane, towing package, pass through underbays. It's an ISL engine, easy to access. We have all the service records for this motorhome that was done recently. You can see the window awnings. All these zippity awnings are like in excellent condition. Fabrics, the slide awnings, the window awnings, power patio awnings. Look how long and wide this thing is. It's awesome. Great under storage. Let's see. Well, that one's locked. We'll go inside here. So it sleeps 4. This is a magic bed. This comes out right here, so 2 people can play games or have drinks, play cards, eat. This is all the original upholstery, original carpet that we just had cleaned and put down that protective plastic. It does have a cooktop up here, 2 burner, convection microwave oven, side-by-side refrigerator, and up there is the television. And we got a nice storage here, and then all kinds of nice storage down there. Got a pocket door here that shuts off the whole back, and then we got another pocket door right here that shuts off just the bedroom. Queen bed, fancy ceiling, got the closet right there behind the mirror, little spot for a chair to do your makeup. Let's go right here and check out this closet. And I think there's a shoe rack in here, or shelving. Leaves for the table. And then there's another closet here and another closet there. We'll open this closet. You can kind of see in there. It's nice. 2 drawers down there. And then we have another closet here. A lot of closet space. All this is just, this wood is awesome. Solid surface counters everywhere. There. It's a beautiful motorhome. So this is a 1 owner. It was stored indoors, serviced here in Houston. We do have all the recent records, not dating all the way back to when it's new, but we do have all the recent ones. So yeah, this is a 04 Bluebird Wanderlodge, 19,000 miles, 900 hours on the generator. And give us a call, 832-492-1075. Check out topchoicerv.com or look us up on Facebook and Instagram, Top Choice RV. Thank you so much.